Okay, dropped by Toys R Us today and they're having a huge sale on the Disney Infinity Power Disc this week. The sale ends Saturday, so if you're watching this video, it ends today. They're 25 cents a pack. So you get 2 Power Discs for 25 cents. These are regular $4.99. This will be for Series 1, 2, and 3, just like the silver packs. So it doesn't include the Marvel ones or the gold packs from Infinity. So just the regular silver looking packs. And this is at Toys R Us. And as you can see, they got a whole lot at this Toys R Us. So if you're into Infinity and the Power Disc, you need to complete your collection, I would suggest to go to Toys R Us today, if there's any left. 25 cents a pack. And they have the new Marvel Avengers Mystery Minis Bobbleheads, and these are 1 in 12. So the figures you get 1 in 12. There's 12 to a case. So basically you should get all of them in a case. So no mystery or no chase figures, but you do get all of them. And it's all the main characters from the Avengers that you can see on the back of the box. And they are $6.99. So this is at Toys R Us, the new Mystery Mini Bobbleheads from the Avengers Age of Ultron movie coming out May the 1st. Okay, I'm in Target, dropped by here today, and they have, and over in the blind bag section, they have some new little cube boxes. It says Marvel figures, 13 collectible figures inside, as you can see right there. And they're $6.99, and it looks like there's some blind bags in there, or blind packs. I can't make out what it is. I don't know if these are chibis or what. And they also have a DC one that says 7 comic figures inside, and these are $4.99. It says Batman is in every cube, so it's like a little miniature Batman figure, as you can see right there. But on the other side, it looks like it's chibis, and it says 7 figures. I know there's 3 chibis in a pack, I think, so I'm not sure if that's 2 blind bag chibi packs and the little Batman figure for $4.99. I'm not sure. Let me know if anybody has seen any of these. Leave your comments, thumbs up if you like these. I've never seen them before, and this is in Target. Okay, stopped by Walmart today just to see if they have the new Rochelle Haunted. Actually not new, we just haven't been able to find it yet. Not much new in here, but there is one thing I wanted to point out. They have the Monster High Coffin Bean dolls, and they're in the new packaging, as you can see right here. And they're not in the old cardboard box, so I haven't seen these yet like this. So these are I guess the newer assortment of them, and they come in the different box. And this is the Coffin Bean dolls. And of course down here at the bottom, they have the a Pack of Trouble set with the Clawed Wolf and his whole family there, as you can see. Don't see these very often, and this is at Walmart, so check your local Walmart out for those Coffin Bean dolls in the new packaging, and of course the 4-pack with the Clawed Wolf. Okay, I stopped by Target today just to see if they have the Monster High section, and they still have the Monster High Ghoul Spirit dolls. Now on the package it says $6.48 for the clearance price, which is like half off, and of course they've got Venus and they've got Spectra. That's all they have in here, just those 2. That one's kind of banged up. Look at the box there. Now I'm going to scan these and show y'all what they really are though. So I'm going to go scan it right now. Okay, now I'm at the scanner and I'm scanning the Ghoul Spirit doll. This is Spectra, and here's the price. So as you can see, they're $3.88 at Target, so they're like 75% off. Now, as I said earlier, they're still marked at $6.48. So if you're in your Target and they're still $6.48, make sure you scan them because they could be $3.88. This is in Target. Okay, and drop by the Ever After High section in Target also, and something I haven't seen in Target before, they have the Through the Woods dolls for Ever After High. As you can see, they have Poppy O'Hare right there, and they have Blondie Locks, and of course Ashlyn Ella and C.A. Cupid. So the Through the Woods dolls at Target. I've only seen these in Walmart. Also, they have some of the older dolls. They have a Maddie Hatter right here at the bottom. And let me know what y'all think about the new boxes compared to the older boxes. This is the new one, of course, the smaller design. And this is the older boxes right here. Do you prefer the bigger boxes or the smaller boxes, new or old? Leave it in the comments. Thumbs up if you like the Through the Woods dolls. Get to your Target. Okay, drop by the blind bag section in Target, and they have the new wind-ups for the Justice League figures. As you can see, they have Flash, Superman, Green Lantern, Batman, Wonder Woman. So these are like the Walking Dead wind-ups, but these are for the Justice League. And these are in Target. And they also have the Squishy Pops in Target too. I've only seen these in Toys R Us, so they have them in Target. The My Little Pony Squishy Pops. And then of course some Walking Dead chibis right here too. And they have Series 2 chibis also. So they have Series 1 and Series 2, and they're both $3.99. So if you need some of the chibis, they have them both. Okay, stopped by Walmart today. I'm trying to talk a little bit louder because it's really bad weather outside. Like thunderstorms and everything. It's really bad. But just in the Monster High section, as you can see, they have a couple of things we don't usually see. They have the Claudine Wolf with the Coffin Bean. And they have the Draculaura with the diner. And right by it, they have the Spectre Ghouls Alive. We still can't find the Rebecca. The Rebecca has been spotted in other countries, but we haven't seen any in the States yet. I mean, in this area. And as you can see at the bottom, of course, they have the Pack of Trouble 4-pack. And they have the Inner Monster Deluxe pack at the bottom also. So check your Walmart out if you still need some of these older sets. And of course for the Spectre too. Alright, just wanted to show y'all something leaving Walmart after a week of toy hunts. And look at the rainbow. Bad weather earlier, and now you have a rainbow. Comes all the way across the other side, as you can see right there. Alright, leave your comments, thumbs up if you like the video. See y'all next week.